In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate returns on a rental property in Excel. We'll walk through a simple Excel setup that helps you calculate two important numbers for a rental property: your net annual profit and your return on investment, or ROI. This is a useful way to quickly evaluate whether a property is generating a strong return based on the money you've put into it. First, go to Excel and open a blank worksheet. You can do this in the desktop version or in Excel online. Once you're in, the next step is to enter the sample data. Make sure your worksheet includes the values you want to use for rental income, annual expenses, and total investment. Keeping this information organized clearly in separate cells will make the formula steps much easier to follow and reduce the chance of mistakes. After entering the sample data, you're ready to calculate the net annual profit. This value shows how much money the property earns after subtracting expenses from income over the course of a year. To do that, click cell B5 and type equals B2 minus B3. This formula tells Excel to subtract the annual expenses from the annual rental income. Once you've typed the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately display the result in cell B5. Now that you have the net annual profit, the next step is to calculate the return on investment. ROI helps you understand how efficiently your invested money is working for you. In other words, it compares your annual profit to the total amount you invested in the property. To calculate this, select cell B6 and type equals B5 divided by B4. This formula takes the profit you just calculated and divides it by the total investment amount. Press Enter and Excel will show the ROI result. At this point, the result may appear as a decimal, which is mathematically correct, but it's usually easier to read ROI as a percentage. So, select the ROI result cell. Then go to the Home tab in Excel. In the Number section, click Percent Style. This will convert the decimal into a percentage format, making the result much more intuitive to interpret. That's it. You've now used Excel to calculate rental property returns in a simple, practical way. As a quick tip, always double check that your income, expenses, and investment values are in the correct cells before entering formulas, since even a small reference error can affect the final result. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.